Hello, dear friends. Once again, your friend Rakesh Mishra is here. Rather, I should call you guys as my extended family. Thank you, Anandji, Manojji, and Amitji, for your telephone calls and those messages. And you ask me, Rakeshji, where is your video? It's been a long time. Oh, that's why I said, I think I have authority to call you as extended family. I asked them, hey, why you need my video? What do you think? They said, that sometimes, those are funny, and also there are so much of education we get from your videos. Thank you very much. That is something really, really big for me. That's what whole idea about it. So with that, let me first complete the segment related to my workshop, which I was planning to conduct on July the 9th and August the 13th. So far I got 27 emails and 3 telephone calls related to those workshops, and I got the 4 confirmed payments for July the 9th and 3 confirmed payments for August the 13th. And as I said, that June 30th, that is the basically day before yesterday, was the last day for that $97 basically workshop. So since I haven't got those the 40 seats, rather I need minimum 20 seats to conduct that workshop in a hotel, because they have that requirement to do that catering and other supplies, so that they are able to recover their cost to conduct those workshops. So unfortunately, I'm really sorry, but I have to cancel July the 9th, as I don't have enough participation into it. So I'm planning to go for the webinar. So I'll be conducting the webinar, and I will be passing all the details to you guys. I requested out of those 4 confirmed payment, if they can ship to August the 13th. So 2 of them they agreed. So on August the 13th, I have 3 already confirmed payment, and 2 those July 9th moved to August the 13th. So I have 5 confirmed registration for August the 13th, and the balance those basically 27 and 3 telephone calls. So there was 20, basically 30. So out of them, probably we will able to make it at least 20 registration for August the 13th. So still we are on for August the 13th. So you are welcome for August the 13th. And yeah, so again with the $97, because I'm planning to run those webinar and paid media somewhere in August. So if you are willing, you can still participate August the 13th. If you have any clarification, please do send me text, email, and you can reach me at youreachrakesh@gmail.com, youreachrakesh@gmail.com. So that was pretty much about the workshop. One more thing I would like to add, as you might have seen that a wonderful comment given by one of my friend, and she asked that why I should charge $97, because I'm not very reputed or a well-known author or a speaker in that way. So, and I responded to her with my best expertise and knowledge, and believe me, those out of 27 email and 3 telephone calls, I think 7 of them total, they came and they have shown the interest, because they say they have seen my response. Basically, more than my response, the question which she has raised, they had also the same question, what will be the content, though I tried to cover on the video, but maybe it was not very clear. So but anyway, so thank you very much for all your comments and your likes and critique. That is wonderful. That's how I grow, that's how you grow. So thank you very much. That's what all about at the workshop. As I said, you reach rakesh@gmail.com for any further clarification, or you can go to my website rakeshmishraonfire.com. Now another great thank you, and basically I don't know what way to appreciate, basically what way to pay my thank you and gratitude to you guys. You have given overwhelming response to my little post regarding that Toastmaster, because my club Downsby Toastmaster, they decided to announce me, basically awarded me as Step Up Leader of the Year 2015 and 16. So thank you very much, Downsby Toastmaster, and thank you very much all my extended family, the kind of the response you guys have shown with your comments, with your likes, and it's overwhelming. Thank you very much. I try to respond and engage each and everybody to respond with my one word or one line, and I tried my best, and I'll keep doing that as much as I can with my limited time and capacity. Hey, let me take you to my journey about Toastmaster. What had happened? I moved to Canada March 21st, 1999 here. And one of the weaknesses which I had and I was trying to improve upon is English speaking. So whenever I used to go for any interview, I used to talk very fast. In general, Asians and especially South Asian, we do talk very fast. But I was trying to talk very fast with a purpose. I was trying to, I thought, if I'll speak fast, I can hide my grammatical and sentence structure error and mistakes. So that was my intention, to talk fast so that I can hide them. And up to a certain extent, I was successful also to clear those interviews. But anyway, that was and I was trying to put a lot of efforts to improve, reading those books and watching YouTube videos and many resources, basically borrowing some stuff from library, those audio CDs and cassette. I tried my best, but those days I was trying to basically improve my English communication, because as I mentioned a few times, that I had very economically poor upbringing, those formative years, and I just want to share those stories. But I was feeling so embarrassed and so ashamed about those stories about my poor, those formative years. But what had happened, it was the year 2008, and that movie was released called Slumdog Millionaire, and it won 8 Oscars. Basically, it was history was repeating, because back in 1982, Gandhi movie was released and won the 8 Oscars. So basically, so far, little background, you might be aware already that only 4 events occur in Indian Bollywood industry where, they gone to Oscar. In 1982, first time Gandhi movie was released and won 8 Oscar, and one of the costume designer, I think the costume designer lady, she also won Oscar for the Gandhi movie. And the 3rd Oscar was given to our great director Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award in 1992. Though he was sick, he couldn't go to get it, but yeah, it was given to him. And the 4th time it was given to Slumdog Millionaire, in 2008, 8 Oscar again, same like a Gandhi. Unfortunately, both movie Gandhi and Slumdog Millionaire were made on Indian stories, but unfortunately both were directed by outside of India, and both British director. Gandhi was directed by Attenborough, and Slumdog Millionaire was directed by a British director, David Boyle, and both lead actor in both the movies were from England. Unfortunately, our Gandhi movies, out of 1.2 billion, we couldn't find a Gandhi in India to play that role, and Ben Kingsley has played that role beautifully. So anyway, so after watching the movie Slumdog Millionaire, one confidence I achieved, that hey, I could relate myself with that movie. Most of my life was kind of that movie. And I got a confidence. Rakesh, go ahead and share your story. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel shame about your story. Share with the world, and they will rather appreciate. Many of them will get encouragement, inspiration, and motivation from your story, because you came a long way, living under those conditions, those strict, basically those difficult conditions. So I decided to share my story. But again, the problem was confidence to speak in public. So what had happened those days? In 2008, I was working, basically I just joined Ministry of Transportation here in Toronto, and one day I went to cafeteria to get the coffee, and I saw there is a board, there is kind of a little advertisement, and it says we build leaders, or I think we make leaders, something like that. And it was nicely, some kind of basically podium, the mic, so it looks like something to do with the speaking. So, and it was a Tuesday when I saw that, and next day, Wednesday, because they meet every Wednesday, the Toastmaster, Downsby Toastmaster inside Ministry of Transportation. Next day, I just walked in as a guest, and you know what? They have certain segment during the meeting, and it's called the table topic speech. So I did deliver table topic speech, and luckily I won that table topic speech, though they do favor to the guest. And anyway, so I won that speech, and that changed everything. And after that, I joined, in 2 weeks, I joined that club, and in just matter of, next year and a half, they had an election, and I was elected as a president for the club. And after that, there was no stopping, because in GTA, in the Greater Toronto area, we have around 200 clubs, and I visited many of them and requested them if I can deliver speeches, and I did deliver many speeches in my own club and outside the club, and participated in many contests at the area level or the club level. And later on, what had happened is that there is a Mo Monday that is kind of professional speakers club. So I sent my details, and Mr. Michel Nere, he accepted me as a speaker. So I delivered very first time in Brampton, a Mo Monday on June 16th, 2014, my very first professional speech. It was 12 minutes, and that changed everything. I did deliver that speech and shared my story. And after that, whenever I used to visit India, or even in Canada, in the Lions Club, in the Rotary Club, and many other places, I started delivering speeches, and there is no going back. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what Toastmaster did for me, and this is something for you. No matter wherever you are globally, you will find the Toastmasters Club either in India or in Middle East and Europe, many places. We have, I think, more than 13,000 clubs across the globe. Do join. I will highly recommend, rather request you to join, because today, have you heard those great company and the legend company like Kodak? We used to call it Kodak moment, and Kodak company disappeared from the planet. Blockbuster disappeared from the planet. All those VHS and DVD and CDs they disappeared from the planet. And today, if you see most of the Apple computers and many other computers, they don't have CD or DVD player. Where we are heading to. Many jobs are disappearing from the market, because what had happened, most of those job functions are being replaced by those nice packaged softwares. So you have to have those skills, soft skills you have to develop, and public speaking one of them, and one of the most sought after soft skill. And if you improve that skill, hey, you can develop the leadership. Today, many places, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Obama, next our neighbor in US, he became basically president in US, I think 60% because of his oratorship. So if you are a good speaker, a good public speaker, you have lot of opportunities, because that is one skill cannot be replaced, no matter how advanced technology can go, how advanced software development go. So do develop this public speaking. Do join a Toastmaster wherever you are, and it has almost not that expensive. I think the fee structure for the Toastmasters annual fee varies from $100 to $250 US annually. Some they charge $100, and some they charge $250 in between. So do join that Toastmaster. You'll find to meet many different personalities, and you will listen so many stories. You'll get chance to share your story. And Toastmasters is not only the speaker, they do overall development of your personality, how to speak, how to use the body language, how to use the grammar, and how to structure your story, how to manage your presentation, either is through the overhead projector or through the speaking. So many ways. I will highly and again request you to join the Toastmaster. That will change your life, ladies and gentlemen. So with that, as I always say, that public speaking and internet and social media, if you kind of do increase your expertise on these areas, you are unstoppable. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to really get connected with your next generation today, I don't know, no matter how old you are in 30s and 40s or 50s or 60s or 70s, if you learn these skills of public speaking or social media or your internet, you will able to communicate with your next future generation, with your kids, with your grandkids, and you will able to connect with them, because that is their future. That is the changing trend. So try to change with the change, so that you can able to communicate with your future generations. And that's what I have to say, and see you the flip side with the next video. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for your overwhelming response in terms of your comments, your likes, your messages, your telephone calls. So it's still August the 13th workshop is still on, and you can send an email on youreachrakesh@gmail.com, and so we connect and we will meet. Else I'm preparing the webinar, and the same contact is going to be shared. The only thing I wanted to promote those workshops, so that I can meet in a physical way, one-on-one. That has very different feel, very different connectivity. But if it's not possible, we'll go through the webinar. And with the webinar, it's very difficult for me to bring those people physically in one location, because it's a global, and so we'll go in that way. So with that, thank you very much. The people who are in Canada, happy Canada Day today. It's the July the 1st, and I'm also wearing this little shirt with the Canadian, so okay guys, so with that, thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Have a wonderful time. Do something, make some changes. जीने के बहाने हजारों थे, जीना तो तुम्हें आया ही नहीं. Not you, but the people who don't follow these new trends, social media, internet, public speaking. Get engaged on those areas and explore the opportunities. Sky is the limit. With that, thank you.